5 plus 5 is equal to 10 into 5 divided by 5. 10 into 5 we will get 50 divided by 5. 50 divided by 5 is equal to 10. But this answer is completely wrong because it does not follow the order of operation called PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, parentheses have higher priority, then exponential, then multiplication and division have the same priority, then addition and subtraction have the same priority. In this problem, you can see we have addition and multiplication. According to PEMDAS rule, multiplication have higher priority than addition and subtraction. So here you can see we have to calculate the multiplication first. 5 plus 5 into 5 we will get 25 divided by 5. 25 plus 5 we will get 30 divided by 5. 30 divided by 5 we will get 6. 6 is the right answer.